My love, it has been a surreal, pretty much magical 3 years and now an even greater forever with you. As you know, I wrote this vow a year ago, even before we planned on getting married. I just knew. And I could burn an hour or two just talking about what I can and plan to do for the rest of my life with you. But this past year of living and sharing a life with you, I've realized that all of my vows, my promises, after all the love, the good and even really bad fights and challenges we've come across and learned from, it all points to 3 things: honesty, compassion, and a lot more love.
Family is now your priority. Napaka-importante yung salitang pagtitiwala, sapagkat dyan magiging matatag ang inyong pundasyon sa inyong pagsasama.
Hi, babe. Paano ko ba ito sisimulan? Ayok na ako.
Actually, nag-meet kami through Bumble, the online dating app. Nag-match kami through online dating. Tapos, siya yung unang nag-message, actually. Tapos, yun, ako medyo nahihiya pa nun kasi ang ganda niya nga.
Nung una tayo nagkita sa UP Town Mall, para ihatid ko yung order mong t-shirt, hindi ko talaga ine-expect na naghanda ka. Nakangmadiin ng outfit si kuya, tapos ako mukha talaga akong seller. At doon na nga nagsimula yung love story natin.
Lahat ng salary mo ay mapupunta kay Christina. Okay ba sa'yo yung Christina? Okay na okay kay Christina. Kaya ano man ang meron sa'yo, ay sa kanya. At yung kay Christina ay sa kanya lang.
Lagi tayong magkakampi sa lahat ng bagay, sa lahat ng oras. Pinapangako ko sa'yo na habang buhay tayong magiging pamilya. Makaiyak naman. Meron pa ba mamayang iluluha ito?
Okay, re-record ko na po, ma'am. Ganun po yung gagawin niyo, ma'am. Record na po.
Ha?
Magre-record ko lang po.
Ngayon pa? Gago pala to. Kaya ulit. Buti lang na-record ko. Ako nagre-record dito.
I vow to be honest with you, give you all of my heart and my thoughts, so that we continue to trust each other no matter the challenges we come across.
Pinairal natin ang pagkukumbaba at pagpapatawad. Tinanggap natin na pareho tayong hindi perpekto at nagkakamali. Dahil doon tayo tumibay. Ikakasal na tayo, ang pinapangako ko lang, katulad pa rin ng sinabi ko sa'yo dati, hindi kita iiwan. Babe, I am your home and you are finally home. Mahal na mahal kita, babe. I love you so much.
Thought I was lost, but then I woke up in love with you. Thought I was lost.